Today we will be discussing systematic transfer plan, a strategic investment approach that can help you optimize return and manage risk. चलिए देखते हैं कि STPs काम कैसे करते हैं, कौन कौन से टाइप के STPs अवेलेबल है, उनके बेनिफिट्स क्या है एंड हु शुड कंसिडर यूजिंग देम. व्हाट आर सिस्टमैटिक ट्रांसफर प्लान? A STP is an investment strategy used by mutual fund investors to transfer funds systematically from one mutual fund scheme to another within the same asset management company. Transfer occurs at predefined intervals, typically monthly or quarterly. The idea is to initially park a lump sum in debt or liquid fund and then transfer a fixed or variable amount into equity funds over time. There are two main types of systematic transfer plans, allowing investors to choose one that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. पहला है fixed STP. A fixed amount is transferred from the source fund to the target fund at regular intervals. This consistency helps maintain discipline in the transfer process regardless of the market conditions. दूसरा है capital appreciation STP. Here, the transfer amount depends on the performance of the source fund. Investors set a specific return threshold, and when the source fund exceeds this threshold, a specific portion of the gains is transferred to the target fund. This type of STPs offer greater flexibility and potentially higher return. अब चलिए बात करते हैं कि सिस्टमैटिक ट्रांसफर प्लान के बेनिफिट्स क्या है. तो पहला है रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. STP allows investors to manage market volatility exposure by initially investing in debt funds and gradually entering the equity market. Next is disciplined investing. By automating the transfer process, STP promotes a disciplined approach to investing, helping investors to avoid impulsive decisions driven by market fluctuations. Next is rupee cost averaging. STP helps in rupee cost averaging, which reduces the impact of market volatility on overall returns, proving beneficial in the long run. But who should go for systematic transfer plan? First time investors, those new to mutual funds who want to start with a conservative approach to mitigate risk. Next are conservative investors, individuals who prioritize less volatility and are risk averse but still want to benefit from equity's growth potential. Next are goal oriented investors, investors with specific financial goals जैसे कि घर खरीदना, बच्चों की पढ़ाई या फिर रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग. They can use STP to manage their investment systematically. So let's have a look at the key takeaways. STP in mutual fund investments offer a disciplined and systematic approach to optimize returns and managing risk. Remember, STP involves transferring fund from a debt or liquid fund to an equity fund within the same AMC. There are two primary types of STP, fixed STP and capital appreciation STP. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such investment insights. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. See you in the next video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.